Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation. Hi, Emily. Hi, David. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. What do you like to buy? I like to buy clothes and books. That sounds nice. Thank you. Do you go shopping every week? No, I usually go 2 times a month. I understand. What about you? I like shopping for food and fruit. Healthy food is always good. Yes, I agree. Do you like big stores? Yes, big stores have many things. That is true. I also like small stores. Why? They are quiet and friendly. That sounds nice. When I go to a store, I always take a shopping list. That is a good idea. It helps me remember everything. I should do that too. Sometimes I forget 1 or 2 things. Me too. Shopping can be fun. Yes, especially with friends. Today, we will learn some easy English for shopping. Great! Let's begin. One useful word is store. A store is a place where people buy things. Another useful word is customer. A customer buys things. A cashier takes your money. The cashier also gives you a receipt. Here is a useful sentence. What is it? Can I help you? Many workers say that in a store. Another useful sentence is, I am looking for a shirt. That is easy to remember. Yes, it is. We can also say, where is the bread? Exactly. Or how much is this? That is one of the most useful shopping questions. I use it often.
Me too. What if something is expensive? You can say, it is too expensive. Good sentence. If the price is good, you can say, I will take it. Very nice. Here is a simple grammar tip. Please tell us. We say, I want a bag. And we say, I want some apples. Yes, we use a for one thing. We use some for more than one thing. Great job. Thank you. Here is another example. I am ready. I buy milk every week. She buys milk every week. Good. We add S to the verb with she and he. That is an easy grammar rule. Yes. Let's practice a short conversation. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I am looking for a blue shirt. Here it is. Thank you. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. Does it fit? Yes, it fits very well. Wonderful. I will buy it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You too. That conversation is easy for beginners. Yes, and you can practice it every day. What about you, everyone? What do you like to buy at a store? Please write your answer in the comments. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for learning English with us. Today, we learned useful shopping words and simple sentences. We also practiced easy grammar. Keep practicing a little every day. Small steps help you improve. Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today. Thank you, everyone, for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.